welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I am a mom who is trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie Budgets and Vlogs. Our shop name is SilynthiaC Budget Creations. I'll link it down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of September, Cassie made a free savings challenge. It is a freebie. I'll link it down below. All you have to do is just grab it and print it and then start playing. If you decide to play it, be sure to tag her so she can add you to the watch train. There's a playlist that's going on right now that anybody who's participating in these freebies is added to that playlist. So if you're interested in getting your video in that playlist, tag her. All right, what are we doing today? It is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Almost through the week, you guys. Almost through. So for Coffee Wednesdays, I've been doing these coffee savings challenges. The ones I have right now are taking me a little bit of time. It's fine because I have some other ones coming in to rotation that are going to be a little bit quicker. But what we're stuffing today: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have $14 here. And I don't see any of the specific letters that I'm trying to save. I did switch out the bills for the larger bill that I had. So anyway, let's get these savings challenges set up so we can play. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we have 4 savings challenges that we are working on. Like I said, they're taking me a while. They really are a challenge for me. The Freebie Friday, Mini Mondays are a little bit quicker wins, and it works perfectly for my lifestyle and my budget. However, this first savings challenge is ×2. This was my wild card. So I think we'll leave that one as 1 today. 2, 3, 4. And if I roll a 5 or a 6, it doesn't count. So I'm hoping to get up to 6 savings challenges. It's just not happening for me right now. And you know what? Today would be a perfect day because it's a nice little chunk of change. You know, it's quite a bit compared to what I normally have. So let's just, you know, send out some good vibes and hope that we get one of these savings challenges completed. Not a whole lot of ones, please. Thank you. Because this one's $2. All right, 3. Off to a good start already. 4, 2, 6. Okay. All right, no more 6s. 2. Okay, no 5. 1. Okay, crap. So that one's $2. Oh. Everybody wants to save, but nobody wants to have IOUs or anything like that. Okay, 6. Oh, come on. We need some good one. 4. Okay. That's upside down. 6. 4. Okay, 3. Let's see. 2. Come on. 4. All right. Okay, come on, no 1. Ugh. Okay. I'm freaking out. Okay, let's see. Hold on. 2. Okay. We definitely don't want an IOU. I'm going for it. Let's see. Come on. There's no 1. Don't roll a 1. An IOU that has not happened since I started completing these savings challenges. Okay, so I owe myself $1. Let me fill out this IOU. Can you believe it? I owe myself $1. Oh man, crap. Okay, see, now I know what it actually feels like. Like, I've had an idea of the way I would feel if I had an IOU. I'm glad it's just $1 and not 10 or 15 or something crazy like I see sometimes on the videos. But okay, I mean, we're saving. We're saving, you guys. So that's all we can really hope for at this point. Okay, so we have actually $3 going in. So we're only going to be able to color in one square until we get that other dollar. Hopefully next week. Can you believe that? Can you? No, you can't believe it because I can't believe it. So my wild card. Oh man, with an IOU. Oh gosh, let's see. We have 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and an IOU. 33 bucks. Such great progress. I love to see it. And let's put this sucker in here. So we can remember. I've been doing so good, you guys. I was dodging those IOUs left and right. Alright, so the next one we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's color in 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, one more dollar. That last dollar should have went into this envelope so I can be finished with this savings challenge. Oh, okay. Let's see. Now we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 bucks. We need one more to complete it and make it $20. So that is pretty awesome. So cool. Ah, I can't believe that. Such a disappointment. We have $2 going into this next one here. 1, 2. And if you're interested in these savings challenges, they're the Coffee and Puppies. They are in the shop as a printable. Cassie did send me these with where she printed them on vellum, so that's, you can see what they look like on vellum. They're really pretty. So now in total we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bucks. Yes. Okay, so I was working on these all of August, right? And now I'm already into September. I am stuffing them one time a week for Coffee Wednesday, so they are taking a little bit longer, but they're totally worth it. And I think I'm leaning towards putting this money to our Halloween costumes, because I was trying to figure out what the heck I'm going to do with the money, but what do I need to do? What do I need, you know? So we're adding $1, 2, 3, $4. One, 2, 3, 4. You're kidding me right now. Either one of these savings challenges could have took that dollar, but no. Oh, I'm so devastated by this. Okay, let's make sure we have 19 bucks. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And I just realized there is a K-Buck. Crap, man. I am not doing well with checking to make sure there's not the letter bucks that I need to make sure I am saving. All right. I'm going to switch this out. Be right back. All right. So we're going to take this K-Buck, put it off to the side here, set it there. Okay, and I think we counted 19, but let me just make sure. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes. So a couple of these hopefully next week will be completed, and then we can move on to our other savings challenges. Hopefully get a little bit quicker wins. Instead of taking such a long time to complete the savings challenges. All right, but that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you all coming back every single week and seeing me get through this craziness that is my budgeting journey. I appreciate you. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye, guys.